Countries in the world agree that global warming must be suppressed. Carbon emissions must be reduced as much as possible. And the world climate must begin to be cooled with maximum efforts. The world also agrees that one way to achieve this goal is to plant as many trees as possible. The problem is, who will do it? Who will finance it? As long as efforts to reduce global warming and reduce carbon emissions are only seen as costs that must be spent, while the results are not immediately visible, then people will still be reluctant to do it. And if they want to do it, must be legally forced. What has not been maximally empowered is the existence of a large number of human groups in the world, namely those who are called the believers. One of their main characteristics is having faith in the unseen. When they do or spend their wealth, they do not have to see the results that are close and the results that can be seen with the eye. Because they expect far-reaching results, which have never been seen with their eyes, and have never been felt by their senses. In fact, one of the very large expenditures that are not promising for the near future has been institutionalized for more than 14 centuries. That is Waqf. So what can really be expected to finance efforts to reduce global climate change and reduce carbon emissions are people who have faith in this Waqf. The Waqf they spend without expecting material results in the near future can be a sustainable source of funds to improve nature as a whole. Some of them will also voluntarily spend their wealth to provide massive work for those who need it. They believe in God's promise that their actions of planting trees will always be rewarded by His side. The greater the benefits of the tree for other humans, the greater the rewards from Him. Even when these trees bear fruit, they also do not expect their share of worldly matter, so that the income from these trees can continue to be turned into a never-growing everlasting fund for various benefits for the life of mankind as a whole. You can see now how Waqf can be a real driver of the impact economy. That is economic growth that arises because of our good deeds in healing and saving the nature. Not the other way around, economic growth which is pursued by sacrificing natural sustainability.